Check out this Kia 2020 Forte GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto-shift transmission, Bluetooth and clock, and dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.